You are here because you want to know why you should make cool shit, or you want to know where to start. I'm here to tell you. Answering why is easy, because it's freaking cool. Having a project you can work on has many benefits, not only for the long game, but also for your everyday life. Obviously, you get better at whatever field your project is based on, but that's not the only benefit you will experience. Instead, you will notice changes in different aspects of your life, including motivation, overall happiness, confidence, and self-esteem. How, you might ask? If you have found a project you truly enjoy working on, you should stop wasting all your free time endlessly scrolling through Instagram, watching the 100th brutal car crash video, and instead, invest it into your project. At first, this step will be difficult, but trust me, you will get there as soon as you start. We humans love the feeling of accomplishment because it releases an inhuman amount of dopamine, which is why we have the urge to finish what we have already started. And trust me, after a few weeks, once you reduce the time spent on social media, you will notice an improvement in your mental development, health, and happiness. When the time comes to finish your project, you will be proud of it. If not, you are not done yet. The next step is to show your project to other people. For example, to friends, family. Hell, show it to your weird neighbor who sneaks into your window while you sleep if necessary. Another place to share it is the internet. Share your shit on YouTube, Reddit, your weird gaming Discord where everyone just spams racial slurs. It doesn't matter where, as long as you share it somewhere. If you are afraid to do so, then you either didn't create cool shit, or you just didn't put enough effort into it. Alright, enough talking about the why factor. Now you want to know how to create cool shit. The first step is to choose an area of interest. There are 5 main fields: technology, craft, art, cooking, or baking, videography. To help you decide which one suits you best, we need to take a closer look. But before we do that, I will tell you how to efficiently work on a project, regardless of your choice. Step 1. Set a goal that needs to be achieved. For example, wood carving that looks exactly like a person, so you don't feel as lonely as you do right now. Step 2. Research your topic, to learn about the tools and methods you will need. Step 3. Do smaller projects for practice, but always keep your big goal in mind. Don't lose yourself in these small projects. This is very important. Step 4. Finish your shit. Okay, so let's dive into these 5 fields. Tech. Technology gives you universal skills, with great career opportunities that make good money. Start learning a programming language. Create your own website. For delivering bathwater to your friends, make a dumb mobile game that somehow becomes extremely viral.
Hey guys, it's me, Flying Gorilla, from my new app on the App Store, Flying Gorilla. It's a free download, so I hope you check it out, and I hope...
Create your own devices to impress your friends.
This early to bed and early to rise auxiliary bed. The design is very human. When it's time to go to bed, it will let us fall asleep quickly.
And many other projects that can be done. Craft. Craft is the OG project field. Creating things with your own hands is one of the manliest activities. I'm not saying that women will line up for you, but you can make a hell of an impression with a self-made dresser. Art. Art can be a separate field when you are simply drawing something, but you can combine it with any other field on this list. 3D modeling, wood or stone carving, cake decorations, or filming beautiful landscapes. Art is everywhere. Cooking and baking. A skill with the greatest potential to impress. You can easily win someone's heart by cooking them a freaking 5-star top-tier delicious meal. People will start to like you if you give them a reason, and a well-seasoned, medium-rare steak is a damn good reason. Videography. Just film something. Literally anything that you consider worthy of being your project. Even if it's a YouTube video about the importance of making cool things, backed with pixelated drawings that look like they were made by a 7-year-old. It doesn't matter. Endless possibilities. Now the last thing left to do is to rank these fields according to your resources. Technology. The downside is that you need some kind of device, like a laptop or PC. Apart from that, technology has easy access. Just grab your laptop and start. Most of the programs you are going to use are free, such as Unity for making games or Visual Studio Code for writing scripts. If you are planning to go in the direction of electrical engineering to build your own devices, you will have some expenses. I suggest looking up how to get started with Arduino. I rank tech in the B category. Craft. I assume you have all the basic tools scattered around the house for small projects, such as gluing stones together. But for bigger projects, you will need many tools and materials that are not standard to have at home and can be very expensive. That's why I would rank it in category D. Art. Super accessible to everyone. Even if you don't have tools available, they are not that expensive if you choose the cheap options. A tier. Cooking and baking. Everyone needs food, but groceries are expensive, and it's not that easy to cook or bake good food on a budget. I rank it as C tier. Videography. I assume that every one of us has a mobile phone, which is literally all you need to start your film projects. You can even use it for editing and sharing your footage with programs that are 100% free. A tier. Finally, let's look at your goal. If you want to simply make money, choose technology or videography, as they have the highest success rates in terms of making money. If you choose the goal of bringing joy to others, choose culinary and baking crafts or art. For all other goals, such as simply having a profession, any field is recommended. Just don't forget to be proud of your achievements when you finish. That's all. If the video was helpful, then like and subscribe to the channel. And I'm definitely waiting for your comments.